Tony Ballance. I'm Director of Strategy and Regulation at Severn Trent, and I'm here today with our Water Forum. They're our customer challenge group for the 2019 price review, PR19.
Severn Trent is in the process of preparing its business plan for the next 5 years, and they really want to understand the views of customers. And the Water Forum is there to challenge the company to make sure that they're really listening to customers and what they want, and make sure that the business plan reflects those needs and wants when it's finally submitted to the water regulator Ofwat.
My name's Ian Butterfield and I work for Natural England, who are the government's biodiversity advisors. The reason that I'm here is to try and help the company to ensure that when it takes water from the environment and when it puts waste back into the environment on behalf of all of its customers, it has the minimum impact on the environment. But actually, to go a step further than that now, it's not just about having a minimum impact, it's about having a maximum benefit. And Severn Trent want to do that, and they want to do that with you as customers.
We are looking at quite a lot of issues, from resilience through to drought, flooding, and making sure that all of those things are considered properly by Severn Trent in what it does.
My name's Shane and I'm ultimately responsible for PR19. Key focus is on our customer insight, so we've spent a lot of time walking through what we've been doing, how we've been doing it and why we've been doing it, with the ultimate aim of flushing out some potential gaps in our research program. And we've actually had some really good challenge, so I think there's 2 strong takeaways for me today, which is behavioural economics and doing some more trials to understand what our customer priorities and preferences are, and also our ongoing BAU use of customer insight. We've got some things in play at the moment relating to customer trackers, but actually we can be much more sophisticated and clever in how we do this, and that's something that will take the challenge away and think about our response.
My name's BRITTON. I'm the Chief Executive at Sandwell Council in the West Midlands. My role with the local authority means that I'm bringing to this perhaps a local perspective. I think it's sometimes quite tempting to think of water as a universal product. Everybody uses it the same way everywhere. But in my experience, local differences really do matter. And in an area like Sandwell, where I work, with very high levels of deprivation, and indeed an ageing infrastructure, and all the stresses and strains of an inner urban environment, people are experiencing real difficulties that are very different to those in some other parts of Severn Trent's area, which are much more rural and have their own problems, but are quite unique and quite different in those areas. So that sense that a universal product used in many, many different ways is an area that I'm keen to sort of bring to the meeting today.
My name's Karen MacArthur, and as part of the Water Forum group, I'm leading the piece on retail. So that means effectively ensuring that not only all Severn Trent customers are serviced properly and taken care of, but particularly that vulnerable customers are given the consideration that they require, and particularly in relation to issues like affordability.
Throughout the life of the development of the plan, the Water Forum will be challenging hard on customers' behalf to make sure that the plan that finally goes to the regulator is one that will absolutely meet the needs of customers.